Hello.
Hello. So, we got a box, didn't we? You gonna try and open it? I don't need the scissors to open it? Is that what you're saying? You think it's for you? Well, it's actually for all of us. So, thank you, Amanda, for helping me out. She... Oh, you're gonna open it? Yeah. Can I help here? I think Molly's excited. No! Hey, can I... Are you hijacking my video? Yes, she is. We're coming to you from warm, sunny Georgia. And apparently I need to trim her claws. Okay, you're done. No, get your head out of there. Mommy. Amanda, you have one of these, and I think Julie Cassins, you have something like it. I don't know if it's the exact brand, but it's really hot here. And one of the things is making sure you drink plenty of fluids. I know both Wally and I, he's the one behind the camera. Say hi.
Hey.
You need some good water. So, I ordered, you get, oh, there's your box. Go play with your box. Oh, you want this box? No, no. Get this box. There you go. Eat that box. The things Molly will do. All right. We got a Berkey water filter and purifier. This is US based in Texas. Hey, no. And I got a little bundle. So they had a little deal going on for their bundle, and then I ended up getting a 10% off code from them, which was really nice. And that helps save on the Berkey system. And there's a lot of things out there, but the Berkey is the one I have been wanting for a few years. So here we go. So pretty. It's so pretty. They have different sizes depending on needs. This works for 2 to 4 people, I believe. And it's based on like per gallon. And I got it comes with a plastic spout, but I ordered with the bundle, it comes with the stainless steel spout. And I thought that would be a little more handy and durable. Looks really nice. And it has little washers, so I'll have to put that together. I'm gonna try and take this apart, so that's where it'll go, and I'll take pictures for you guys once I get it up. And ready. Oh, it's a new hairnet. Look at that. I'll have to figure out how to open it. And then in here, I believe that it comes with, what this, Amanda was telling me about it. It comes with a purification kit, so it tells you if you set it up properly or not. Yes, there you go. There's the whole book. So this is the dyes, the red dyes to tell you if you got it set up correctly. So we'll be doing a test on that. And then we got looks like glass bottle. I don't know if that's part of the testing of the water, but we'll figure it out. I believe, is it upside down? Yeah, there we go. I knew there was more stuff in there. So this will be the bottom. This will sit up here. The holes inside there are where the big filters go. And I think I said this is the big Berkey, but yes, this is the big Berkey, and there's different models that I have. So this is kind of the setup. That's what we'll be doing. And talks about all the steps there. So these are the filters. It comes with filters. Like I said, it has the plastic spout. We're gonna do this spout instead. And you can order more of these online. But these are the black filters, and you can get up to 4 in there if you want 4. So there you go. If you have a Berkey filter and purifier, let us know. Love to hear from you guys and what one you have. And if you have more questions, be sure to let me know. I'm excited. This will be a great new water filtering system. So we'll see you all next time. Stay hydrated.